Okay. When market momentum is very strong to this upside or downside, those types strong unhealthy price action is called impulsive move. Price generally move in two ways, impulsive and correction. You can understand like this in impulsive move lots of institutional and bank buying momentum. And correction phase retail traders trying to buy, sell and market move in a particular range. Now I am going to explain you here in detail that how it's look. Now you can look here. The momentum is bearish. So I also told you about when market momentum is strong downside. So those types strong unhealthy price action is called impulsive move. So you can look at our market momentum is towards down. So our downward momentum will be called impulsive. This is downward momentum. This is called impulsive. Now you can look here. I also showing you. I also give you example that and mention here this line only. Single line also called impulsive move and dotted line called correction. It indicates that here you can look. This is impulsive. Why? Our trend is bearish. Our trend is downward. So our downward momentum will called impulsive move and this is upward. This is a pullback. So you can look at market momentum is downward like this is impulsive move and just market doing correction moving small buy then moving downward. So you can look here the sell momentum is called impulsive move and the in the sell market move the buy momentum is called correction. I want to tell you more this thing. Now you can look here. Market moving towards upside. Okay. The single line is called impulsive move. And the dotted line is called corrective move. So you can look here our momentum is toward upside. Market moving toward upside. So the upside momentum mean the bullish momentum will called impulsive move. In bullish trend, the sell move will called corrective move. Again, you look momentum was over by and you can look here this is buy momentum so you can ask the we can say this is impulsive move and in buy momentum a sell move called corrective move. Again you can look here I am telling you when market move downward I also told you the direction will tell you what is impulsive. If we are if we are in sell market our sell momentum will called impulsive move. If we are watching buy market momentum, so our buy momentum will called impulsive. Okay, hopefully everyone will be understand. Now I am telling you about more this what is impulsive. Now I am showing you real market chart. This is live chart of gold. You can look here. Last time I do analysis on this. Here momentum is buy. You can look here because market price taken previous high. Last day I told you about why we are saying this is bullish. When market move upside and take previous high, so we can say that this is bullish momentum. Like this, now I am showing you some example. Now you can look your market momentum is towards upside. Okay. In this case, you can look here market price taking previous high and this will be called break of structure. You can look here again market price moving towards upside and break previous high. So we can say that this is a bullish momentum when market price took previous high continuously. So we can say that this will be continue of bullish trend. This is our new high. When market break previous high, this will be previous high. When market move towards, this move will break previous high. So this will be called previous high taken or previous high break. So in this case, we this example showing us that this is bullish trend. Okay. Here you can also see this is example of bullish trend, and I also told you about this why I am saying this is bullish trend. Now you can look here. This was previous high. Please switch off your mics. This was previous high. Market taken this move. So market price taken this high by this move. Okay, this leg breaked previous high. This was previous high. This move breaked this high. Okay. Now I am telling you about this more. This is buy trend. Why I am saying this is buy trend? Because market price taking previous high continuously. So you can look at market price again high. Okay? Please switch off your mics, otherwise I will remove you. So you can look here. This is bullish trend. What I was saying to you, what I am teaching you, impulsive and corrective move. I also told you about how we can find what is impulsive. Here you can look. Our trend is, what is our trend? Can you tell me? Anybody can tell me? Yes, this is bullish trend because market price taking previous high. In this case, you can look. I also told you, according to our trend, our bullish trend is moving towards upside. Our upside move will be called, because this is according to our structure, according to our trend, because trend is over bullish, so we will called all buy moves is called impulsive. Now you can look here. This is, can you tell me, this is sell trend, so this will be corrective move. Okay. No, I am telling you more. Where is our buy trend? This is buy trend, and this will be impulsive move because it is according to our trend. No, market moving towards downward, just making a correction move or corrective move. We can also say that this is counter trend. These are same things: counter trend, correction move, counter move. Okay. Now market making a counter move or correction. This will be correction. Now I am giving you example of
Fine.
sell
Fine,
trend.
Nathan.
So you can look here, market moving towards downside. You can look here. Market momentum is downward, moving downward. Okay. I also told you about what is what is impulsive and what is corrective move. Market momentum is bearish. Oh, so over
Why
all
did you
bearish
eat your
moves
banana?
called
Jojo, I said you
impulsive
should
move.
take in your breakfast. It is in the fridge. Cover the food for me.
Please switch off mics. Why you are disturbing us? Otherwise, I will
Oh,
remove you.
sorry.
So I was talking about sell trend. This is sell trend. In this case, you can see here all sell trend move will called impulsive move. So you can look here. This is impulsive move, and this is corrective move, because this is against to our trend. All according to our trend, all moves will called impulsive move, and According to our trend, all opposite move will called corrective move. Now you can look here, the trend over was sell. Again, you can see here, this is sell trend. So according to our trend, this will be impulsive move. Yes, this is corrective move. This is impulsive move. This is corrective move. Okay, now I am showing you again example of impulsive and corrective move. This is textbook example. I also tell you about this. So you can look here. Our trend is bearish. Okay. Here you can look here. Only look here. Only look here in this circle. This is our sell trend. So according to our trend, this is sell leg. So this will be called impulsive move. I also told you about this single line indicates impulsive move and dotted line indicates corrective move. So you can look here. This is sell trend and sell move will called impulsive move and opposite move will called corrective move. Now this was one, give this one, and this is second figure. Just see in the green circle. So you can look at the trend is bullish. So bullish move will called impulsive move and bearish move will called corrective move. Bullish move will called impulsive move. Corrective move will be only opposite to the trend. This is according to our trend. This will be bullish move. Now look again here. So you can look here. This is our sell trend. The sell move will called impulsive. The buy opposite move will called correction move because trend is sell. This move will be impulsive because this is according to our trend and this will be corrective move because this is opposite to the trend. Hopefully everyone will be understand what I told you and can you tell me, are you understand? If you are understand, so I will start next topic. The next topic is what is pullback. Okay, if you have done, so I will
Yeah,
do
good.
done.